Hello, Kelly here from Root Pursuit. Today we are talking about deconstructing your Chindi rug for your junk journals from start to finish. So, step one is to, and mine is just a placemat, but it's the same kind of stuff. It's just a little smaller. At any rate, yep, so this is it. And the first step, number one step, wash it. Now that your Chindi placemat, this is a placemat rug, has been washed, then I just recommend taking a sturdy pair of scissors and finding a middle point, and then you want to find a spot in between two of those strips of fabric. So I'm just basically finding a spot right here and then just cutting right down that middle seam. So all of these threads that you find are woven under and over the, I'm gonna kind of separate this end part, although I don't think it matters too much, kind of along that fabric line. Okay, so now you've got two halves. And basically we've disconnected this weave, so you can just simply pull out those pieces of fabric, and you just, you know, each one is a little bit further in, but quite easy to disassemble. So let's just see what types of fabric was holding this little placemat together. So I noticed some of those fabrics are quite large pieces. These are very narrow. I would call this sari silk. So that's good news, and very thin, so I wouldn't have to basically, you know, trim them down. This one's a little bit wider, so this one I would probably get a little narrower, but it's got beautiful coloring. So I've got that. So that's fabulous, and let's try the next one. You just pull it out. Okay, so there's another strip, and these are just lovely blues and greens. This one is really kind of narrow. It gets a little wider right here, but oh, we got another one. Oh my gosh, that comes off so easily, and just beautiful sari silk on this one. And there's even some dye, some interesting color combinations, so that's exciting. And that weave is, and if you just, the other trick is, if you figure out that it's becoming difficult to cut these strings, then just cut another strip down and it'll be perfect. Oh, look at this. This is like denim. Oh, that's interesting piece. Lovely colors. And you can even see the lines of the where the strings went across. Beautiful, beautiful colors. So that's exciting. All right. That's one thing that's fun about this, is you never really know what kind of fabric you're gonna find until you deconstruct it. So this is really fun. Okay, oh, there's two pieces in that one. This is so interesting. And this is like a white, but now it's kind of it's got all the colors in there. So that's a really good color. Now this looks like more of that denim. That's definitely denim. All right. The little stripes and everything. So this is really interesting. Just all the different elements and types of fabric that people are getting from their rugs. So good luck to you, and this is definitely the easiest way to get these to come apart. Assuming that yours is constructed the same way that mine is constructed. So All right, well, I hope you found this helpful. This is definitely the easiest way, much easier than, you know, taking and cutting each little line one at a time. So I hope you found this helpful, and thanks for coming along.